We are happy to present to you our new Dry Erase Weekly Planner for your kitchen fridge. This is our vertical version. This is a complete set that comes in a flat package, which includes one large calendar wrapped in a protective bag, 3 smaller bonus boards for multifunctional usage like grocery and to-do lists, 1 magnetic eraser. It can be easily snapped onto your fridge right by the calendar, 8 fine tip markers with an eraser, and most important, all are magnetic and can also be easily attached next to the calendar. The installation is easy. You simply have to put it onto your fridge. Before you order, please make sure that the vertical calendar will fit your fridge. If it doesn't, we also have a horizontal version. The calendar features high-quality lamination layers, rounded corners, and a strong magnetic back. Every week, simply fill in the days with important reminders or notes, and you are all set. You have 8 multicolor markers, so you can use different colors for different people or tasks. Once the week is over, simply wipe it off with the included eraser and start over again. The 3 smaller bonus boards can be of great use for to-do lists, grocery lists, or general notes. You can also take it off the fridge, as it can be a wonderful layout for kids drawing, and kids love whiteboards. Be ahead of your schedule every week. Be ready to go with this complete set. Check our entire store collection at amazon.com/hmmagnets.